Monster Jam collectors, this is the 2018 new look of the Mad Scientist, the VP Racing Fuels sponsored truck. He is number 3 of 15 in the Epic editions. On the back of the box shows you the recrushable car, of course, and we'll take a look at the trucks that they have. The first one is what we're going to be opening. Then we have a flashback of Shocker. Then Titan Epic Editions. That's going to be a new look. And King Crunch, a flashback. I got to get that one. Son of a Digger in Tour Favorites. El Toro Loco in the Creatures. And Alien Invasion in Tour Favorites. And Mega Rex in Creatures. Let's go ahead and we're going to unbox the Mad Scientist and take a closer look. Alright, we got a red recrushable car with him. I'll just bring it up so you can see the recrushable car. It's out of focus, so I'll do this. It's still out of focus a little bit. Okay, we'll just put it there. That's the recrushable car. And here comes the Mad Scientist VP Racing Fuels. Awesome. It has the BKT tires. Monster Jam logo. The name of the truck. The design and everything. Looking pretty sweet. The other side, same thing, of course, on the back and up on top. So the only thing that I could see that was different from this one from the last year's version is they took away the mud tires and put on just regular tires. So that's pretty cool. So you got two different versions. And the last year's version was from the Team Flag series. And so I thought that, you know, first edition trucks was going to come out with just regular tires instead of the mud. But not in this case. They went with the mud tires for the first edition of the Mad Scientist. And so then now this year they come out with just the regular tires, which is pretty cool. Now, of course, you know, this one of last year had the Team Flag, so I can just swap this and put it on here so you can see what it looks like, and I can see what it looks like for the first time. The Mad Scientist with just the regular tires and with the flag. So that's pretty cool to see. Pretty neat. So I kind of like, you know, both designs now. You know, this one's okay, and now this one with the tires, just regular tires, that's pretty sweet too. So that does it for this review for the Mad Scientist Monster Jam truck that includes the recrushable car. So thank you for tuning in.